Nestled on a quiet cul-de-sac street opposite Dampier Park, we're about to show you a family home that poses as a great family entertainer.
A property where the kids can kick the footy across the road at the park and then have a splash in the pool out the back. Hi, I'm James Penglis, joined by Trent Vivian from Vivian's Real Estate. Welcome to 20 Warringah Close, Kallaroo. Entry into the home and you are met with a decent sized study, a lounge and dining that basks in northern sun. The master bedroom is massive. It features a full-length walk-in wardrobe and access to a modern ensuite with his and hers sinks.
Joining me in the heart of the home, alongside these beautiful Jarrah floorboards, is the living area, the dining and the kitchen. The kitchen features stone benchtops, gas cooking, plenty of storage, but what I love the most is how it remains connected with the pool so you can keep an eye on the kids. Out the back, there is a large patio with a modest amount of grass, and then of course behind me is the pool I spoke about, which has its own gazebo in case you want to soak up all of this northern sun.
The minor quarters features 3 more bedrooms that are a great size for the kids and feature inbuilt robes plus ducted air conditioning. The minor bathroom also features both a shower and a spa bath with a separate toilet. As a bonus, up on level 2 is a third loft-style living area that is perfect for a kids' retreat, and the best part of all, it has reverse cycle air conditioning and floods with natural light.
All in all, there is so much to love about this property and the location, and it sure is tempting to dive in.
If it's not the park across the road, it's that Kallaroo Beach is only 850 metres away, and that Whitford City is just over a kilometre away. We look forward to showing you through.